Hello students, welcome to this video on this idea with this horrible word, eutrophication. The Swedish actually might make a lot more sense. The Swedish is actually övergödning. Eutrophication is the idea of there being too many nutrients. Too much nutrients för mycket näring there. And it's opposite way around. We've been doing in class about how you've had big animals coming in, changing the environment. Now we're going to have little ones, the smallest things coming in and changing the environment. This is a very big problem in lakes, but it doesn't start in a lake. Firstly, we need to have lots and lots of nutrients. So, number one is I have lots of nutrients. But where does my nutrients come? Where does the näring come? Basically, I put it on the soil because I am a farmer and I want lots of nutrients, fertilizers, chemicals, whatever. Something to help my plants to grow. Nutrients help my plants grow on my field. And that, people, is awesome. That's what I want. But then, the problem is, what if I go on my field, spray it all in chemicals, and then the next day, it rains, and all of my chemicals get washed away. So, number two is raining. Chemicals are washed away. The problem then is that those chemicals in my field are not there. They've gone somewhere else. It's not any good. So, what do I do now? I can't get the nutrients. Where are those nutrients going? Well, those nutrients will end up, of course, in some kind of lake, in some kind of river. River or lake. Nutrients get washed up. And that basically means that I've put some nutrients on my soil. They have flowed down. They've ended up in the river. But those nutrients, they're still working. They're still good. Those nutrients are going to get plants and usually, specifically, algae to grow. So, go to number 4. Can we see? Yes, we can. Number 4, we're going to have plants and algae grow as they absorb more nutrients. There's more nutrients, so there's more chance for those plants to grow, and you cannot see that, so I'm going to take this up here. The plants and algae grow because they absorb more nutrients. So there's more plants and there's more life growing. That sounds absolutely fantastic. I want more plants. Plants are good. Kind of. I get so many plants. Remember, plants need 3 things. Water, loads of water. They might carbon dioxide, quite hard, but they might get that. But if there's so many plants, there might not be enough light. If they're all there, all growing really good, there might not be enough light. Number 5, not enough light for all plants. And then, because of that, not enough light for all the plants, some plants that started growing, they die. not all those plants can live. Some of them, when they grow, they will start to die. Big problem. Kind of. Because okay, because bacteria in my lake, there's decomposers. They will break down those plants. It's going to be okay. Number 6. Decomposers. Ned today. Break down plants. Sounds awesome. Decomposers breaking down plants. Great, but they use oxygen because they are animals and bacteria. They do respiration. They need oxygen. They use oxygen in the water. It's all right. That's okay. There's bacteria. They need to break down. That's fine. But it's not fine. But then, number 7, no oxygen in water. And if there's no oxygen left in the water, there can be no animal life. We've broken the food chain. We put in too many plants, and the whole ecosystem has collapsed around it. There was too much nutrients in there, and it's caused this big destruction. That is eutrophication. It's the idea that when you put in too many nutrients,